Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to apply these rhinestones on the fabric. Before I start, these are instructions how to apply rhinestones on the fabric. I will be using this rhinestone applicator tool which I bought on eBay, and it looks like that. And it came with this stand, so when it's on, it stands on that stand, but at the moment it is off. I'll be using these 4mm Hotfix rhinestones. As you can see, they have like a black backing, which is a glue. I'll be using blue and black ones, and they look like that. Also, I'll be using this rhinestone pen, which picks up the rhinestones like that. I have lots of different size nozzles which screw on there, and I screw them on before I turn this machine on. Also, I have 3 mats underneath, so before I turn my machine on, I make sure that my surface is nice and safe because this tool gets very hot. I'll be using 4mm nozzle tip, which looks like that. So this nozzle tip matches the rhinestone size. Now I'm screwing this nozzle on the top of the rhinestone applicator tool. Looks like that. And now I'm turning my applicator tool on, and I will leave it to heat up for about 2 to 4 minutes on a stand. While my rhinestone applicator is heating up, I will apply these rhinestones on the fabric using rhinestone pen. Now I'll show you how to use this rhinestone applicator tool. So basically I'm pressing that tip on a rhinestone like that, and I'm pushing down that approximately for 5 seconds, and I'm repeating that on every single rhinestone till it is glued on the fabric. And also, as you can see, I can move gently the rhinestones into position to create a flower with this rhinestone applicator tool. On a thicker fabric like denim, I would recommend hold the applicator tool for 15 seconds so the rhinestones glue on properly. After applying all of the rhinestones on a fabric, I'm turning this machine off and I'm leaving to cool down on this stand. So this is the right side and this is the left side. As you can see, the glue stains on the left side there. So that's why I used 3 mats for the safety, because the glue does go on the left side. And it is really nice finish, and the rhinestones are really securely glued on a fabric. If you have any questions how to apply these rhinestones using this rhinestone applicator tool, please comment down below in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.